Let's write a children's book with the help from AI. Sweet AI, write me a short children's story. I am 7 years old.
Certainly. Here's a story about a tiny raindrop.
Once upon a time, in the vast sky above the cheerful town of Mistyville, lived a tiny raindrop named Remy. Remy was no ordinary raindrop, he was the smallest of them all, but he had the biggest heart.
I loved Remy. Can you create his and everybody in the story's personas, so you can help me make more stories with exactly the same characters?
Certainly. Let's build the characters' personas so you can continue the adventures of Remy and his friends.
Remy the Raindrop. Appearance: Remy is a tiny, sparkling raindrop. He glimmers with a soft blue light, and though he's the smallest raindrop in the sky, he has the most radiant glow.
Lovely, write me 3 more stories based on the personas.
Certainly. Here are 3 more stories based on the personas.
Story 1, Remy and the Proud Rose. Story 2, Remy's Dance with the Tulips. Story 3, Remy and the Garden's Winter Wonder.
Incredible! Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you liked the story about Remy the Raindrop. Share your thoughts in the comments and watch the above video next if you want to learn how to animate images using Runway Gen-2 and Midjourney AI.